What's that? Can you read it?
Piña da Col.
Anong pinya dakol? What is up, fragrance friends? Ayan guys, scent of the day natin ngayon with...
Marsha Andrea!
Ayan, sige, game. Mag-ano tayo ngayon guys, scent of the day lang. And quick video lang to. So, share namin kung ano yung scent of the day namin. So, yung sa kanya, ano yung sa'yo? What's that? Can you read it?
Piña da Col.
Anong pinya dakol? Pinya colada. Perfume dessert
Colada.
pinya colada. Yan. Yan ang kanyang napiling scent of the day. So,
Favorite ko yan.
favorite mo to?
Opo.
Ayaw mo muna. And yun sa akin, may bago ako.
Aquaman.
Aquaman by Armaf. Yun, no? Aquaman ng Armaf. Ano to? DC collection to. Bali, 4 yung nakuha kong ganito. Shout out, Olitin. Ayan. So, ayan, discuss natin mamaya. So, unahin muna natin tong
Perfume dessert.
perfume dessert. Sige nga, tingin nga. Buksan mo na.
By Tita Said.
Tita Said. Shout out, Tita Said. Ang hirap tanggalin.
Kaya nga.
Kaya nga. Oh, yan, game. Wow, ang ganda guys, oh. Pang bag, pang travel.
Pang bag.
Asan yung ano? Ito.
Ayan.
Try natin.
Try natin.
Spray natin. Buksan ko lang bintana.
Baka sakit.
Bango.
Ay, ang bango, diba?
What can you say about it?
Ay, ang bango! Kaya, ang bango.
Amoy no? Amoy juice, no?
Opo.
Amoy juice siya na
Pineapple.
pineapple. Tingin.
It smells like pineapple juice with coconut. Mama.
Medyo may coconut nga siya. Tropical yung vibes niya. Ang fresh. No? What can you say about it? Tell them.
Huh?
Tell them, what can you say about it?
It's, I might rate it 10 out of 100.
10 out of 100? But dapat 10 out of 10.
10
Pag out of 100, masyadong ano.
Ang bango!
Bango? Or you mean to say 100 out of 10?
I meant to say 100 out of 100.
100 out of 100 pala.
Ang bango kasi!
So you mean it's perfect for you?
Yeah.
Okay sa'yo? You like it?
Yeah, like it's so good. I will wear this wherever I wanna go.
Talaga? Daily ganon?
Yeah, I will wear this on the beach.
On the beach,
Yeah,
yeah.
because it's like a beach.
Oo. And summer scent kasi siya, di ba?
Yeah.
So it's great for summer, right?
Mm-hmm. I wanna go to the beach with this perfume.
Okay. And what?
It's so near to my sister's birthday and we're going to a beach, so I'd rather wear this.
Okay. Alright. Who's your sister? What's her name? Shout out mo siya.
Martina, shout out to her.
Ate Martina, happy
Ate-
birthday!
Happy birthday, Martina.
Ayan. And then, ito naman yung scent of the day ko. Tatry ko siya ngayon i-full wear. Actually, na-spray ko na siya.
Wait, blue.
Oo
Blue
nga,
ito.
no?
Blue.
So, feeling ko aquatic to, guys. Kasi nga, Aquaman eh. And,
Aquaman like aqua.
Aqua, yes, like Aqua Miles. That's right.
I have a feeling my dad loves Aquaman.
Mm-mm.
Ay, ang bango. Ang bango.
You like it?
Yeah, that smells good.
Ay, guys, aquatic nga. Medyo hawig siya ng...
Ay,
Para siyang Mega Mare, guys.
wait lang. Basta ako amoy din.
You wanna try it?
Opo.
Hmm.
Ay, ang bango.
You like it? For
Opo.
real? Hindi nga.
Yeah.
Hindi nga.
So good kaya.
Hindi siya strong, not too strong, no?
Yeah, but it's too good.
It's too good.
1 million out of 1 million.
Wow. Bango, mabango siya. Amoy siyang Mega Mare pero lighter version siya, wearable siya.
It's so
Sobrang
bango.
fresh.
Ang
Sobrang
bango,
fresh
ang
niya,
bango.
guys.
Ang bango.
Ano siya, manly yung dating niya. Si Marsha kasi sanay sa mga manly scent. Sanay siya sa mga perfume ko. Kaya pansin niyo pagka nag-review siya, sinasabi niya, it smells like my dad's perfume ba? Ano yung sinasabi mo?
It smells like some of my dad's perfume.
Yun, nasanay kasi siya sa mga manly scent na mga aquatic. Kaya pag may hint ng aquatic tsaka fruity, yun ang sinasabi niya. Ang bango, no?
Bango!
Bango.
Bango! Gusto ko to.
Gusto mo to? Ay, pakita mo yung box. Ayan
box
siya,
to.
guys. Oh. Yun. Ganda. Gawa siya ng Armaf, guys. Ano siya? Collab ng Armaf. And ng Warner Brothers. Ayan.
After Aquaman, the next one is gonna be Superman.
Superman. Sa next ko yung Superman. Alright, yun lang, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And
Like and subscribe to Marsha and Daddy's video.
sige, bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye.